What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Here with a new video. I thought, why not today with voice? God damn it, I will never come out here. It's raining, it's dark outside, cozy inside here. I have the steering wheel heating on, so it's very cozy, and I think like just the scenery when it's raining and it's dark looks beautiful. I love it to do talks like that, so why not driving, have a chat, have a lot of things in my mind, and always if I'm driving I can calm down and think about all the stuff which is in my mind. Did a lot of POV drives in the past, like in the last days I recorded a lot, and yeah, I love it. It makes fun for me to drive around filming and also editing the videos, and yeah, you can check them out with car sound only, where we're not talking, where you just listen to the car sounds, which is also quite nice. Yeah, I think I have to drive like 30 minutes, but I have to fill up some gas also, so we have to make a stop at a gas station. And yeah, let's see how much it will cost in Germany. I still confused because in some cities in Germany it's cheaper than in others. Also on the German Autobahn the prices are much higher than here in a small city. Like at the moment I'm not in a such big city. It's if you compare it with big cities in Germany, it's very small, but it has everything with what you need. So let's see how the street will look like. Also, I have the feeling the people look at me, because in Germany it's very, if you are not doing the same as everybody, if you're not driving the same, like I have also some lights on, and typically in Germany it's out of norm, and if something is out of norm, then the people are always looking at you. But maybe it's I have this only in my mind and it's not like that, but I have this feeling that if the people crossing me, or if I stop and we stop at the same height, then they look at me, but I don't mind, because also my setup is very, I would also look at that if I would see the setup. Also in Germany it's raining since 3-4 days already. It's cold. I also started heating in my flat, in my apartment, because I love it when it's cozy. So maybe we go to a Shell gas station. This is my favorite one, where I like to fill up some gas or washing my car. I also have a Shell card where I can save some money with it, so makes sense. I hope you guys are also enjoying this calm POV drives, or am I the only one who likes it? McDonald's here. The last time when I went to the McDonald's, I tried a TikTok trend and it was not that well as I thought it would be. I tried this milkshake where you order a vanilla milkshake and you put some double espressos in, but it was okay. Let's go. I love it when it's raining and you can drive car. I don't know. I like it. I have a topic for today's video. Like, I want to do this kind of videos where I talk about general things, work, motivation, therapy stuff, yeah, where you can just think about challenges which I have, or just have a chat with you. I don't know who is watching these videos because I don't have any subscribers yet, but maybe in a few months or weeks, I don't know. I don't mind this because I do these videos for me, because I like to cut the videos and to record them. It's kind of a hobby from my side, and I also love driving cars, and it's cozy, calming me down. But the topic for this video is 1 is greater than 0. This is at the moment my strategy, or what I have in my mind when I get up. I'm not always motivated for work or for the gym, or to do stuff in general. I have these days where I just want to sit at home, watch Netflix. But then I'm saying to myself, 1 is greater than 0, which means this is what I have from Gary Vaynerchuk. You have to Google this guy. He's very popular in the US, UK, English speaking, but he is saying 1 is greater than 0. If you do 1 video per week, or if you do 1 push-up at your training, 1 is greater than 0. So it means if you do something, it's better than not doing it. To be in the condition to do it daily, to do stuff daily. Like, of course you're not going every day to the gym, right? Because yeah, you need rest days, but also do these rest days, like chill, have some good food, good sleep. But for me, it's for my YouTube channel here, 1 is greater than 0. So doing something better than doing nothing. So I do small videos, I do this kind of drives. So I was watching soccer with my buddy, and I thought, oh, I'm tired, maybe I should not record today my English. So you have always this negative thoughts in your mind where you say you can't pronounce words correctly, and so on and so on, basic English only. But then I say, fuck it, and this is what I am focusing at the moment. It's very hard to be honest, because you have bad days, everyone has bad days. I think also Cristiano Ronaldo, like really high potentials, they have also bad days, and it's only their mind who's saying them do it or get up. and this is where I want to put my mind in that kind of the position, but it's very hard. It's really hard. But let's see how it's going. I don't want to stress myself too much with, oh, I have to do daily vlogs or something like that and go crazy, go viral or something like that. No. First, I am doing this for me, to have the momentum of doing things, of really get shit done. So this is where I want to get deeper, and at the moment it's very good, but I think the hard times will come, like the really hard times. So here I have to go right. Let's see, I hope it's open, because in Germany also you can't, like, not every gas station is open 24/7, but it looks good. Okay, nice. So as you can see here, Shell, one of my favorite. Okay, let me fill up some gas and then we will talk further. Okay, now I'm back with a full gas tank, and now we can drive home. I have the possibility to work from home 4 days a week, and I really enjoying it. Like having the possibility to do lunch whenever I like, and to go to the gym at the lunchtime, or yeah, in the morning. I think it's important to love the process of it, to watch it grow. I think it comes to business, because yeah, if you get things too early, I can only say maybe one example which I have, which can explain that. If you played GTA San Andreas, I was playing it heavily when I was really young. I think like 11, 12, 13 years I started playing that, and if you got everything from the start, you use the cheat codes, yeah? You use the cheat codes for weapon, for money. Then what happened? You had the time of your life for 10 minutes or 30 minutes, and then it was not fun. So what I did then, I cheated, and then of course you don't have any fun anymore, and then you do boring stuff. But this is also a lesson which I learned. I'm now 30 years old. This is also one of the reasons why I started the YouTube channel, because I always wanted a YouTube channel, but I never did it. Yeah, I never did it. I had it always in my mind, but then things come through, like girls, party, then studying, focus on my career from 9 to 5. Now I'm working 9 to 5, and everything is good. I like my job, but I never was fulfilled, because I'm a type of person, I have to really do things daily, like a lot, like also some creative stuff. This is also why I started it. 1 is greater than 0. That's the main message of this video. Maybe you can use 1% of this video where you can think about it, and that's enough for me. Yeah, maybe you enjoyed also like the scenery. It's a late night drive, it's raining, we have a chat. I also would like to do live streams like this, but let's see how it will work out, everything. But for now I will say thank you very much for watching the video. If you watched till the end, many thanks, and cheers guys.